both record breakers. The first, Paleoloxodon antiquus, the straight-tusked elephant, a titan that dominated Europe during the Pleistocene, stopping across the continent unchallenged. The second, Paleoloxodon pneumaticus, the largest elephant to ever live. These were the kings of their world. Nothing came close. But then, the water rose. Around 500,000 years ago, sea levels dropped and land bridges appeared, thin corridors of earth stretching toward the islands of Sicily and Malta. A colony of these colossal elephants crossed over, and then the water rose again. They were trapped, stranded on islands with shrinking resources and, crucially, no predators. What happened next defies everything we think we know about evolution. They shrank. Generation after generation, smaller and smaller, in a process called insular dwarfism, the island's quiet revenge on giants. Until finally, something extraordinary emerged. Paleoloxodon falconeri, the smallest elephant to ever exist. Males stood just 1 meter tall at the shoulder. Females, even shorter. They weighed as little as 150 kilograms. That's lighter than some racehorses. Descendants of the largest elephants